Welcome everybody, thank you for joining to the YouTube tutorial for EdTech Dominguez High School. So hey, look, by now we know we got a little bit of time that we're going to have to shift to online instruction or not in-person instruction, if you will, on this one. So when we typically think of online learning, right, we think of someone sitting at a desk and we see everything going on. There's so many different things you could do with things. So we really just want to showcase quickly what is available to you, regardless if you're doing something already or you're not. There are a lot of resources out there that you can use to track students and to have the best online experience possible for them. So if we do go and we look at a few things today, my goal is really just to show you a few, and then more tutorials coming forward will be specifically based tutorials on a particular outlet. Let's go through some of the ones that we already know or we've heard of before. So we have Flipgrid here. We know we can use that one. And most all of these that I show you, actually all of them, I do believe, if the students sign in wherever they're at with their Compton USD email, we get that. So that's why I'm really highlighting these and showing you. So the first one is Flipgrid. It's a very easy way for them to engage, empower their voice. You can make assignments, they can do it, and they can use it on their phone, most importantly, on that one. One of the big ones that a lot of us do use is Google Classroom. Whether you like it or not, it is a good way for students to be able to assign work for them, have them do it, turn it in. You have that blueprint, more importantly, going through it. So some of us have used Cahoots before, so Cahoots is a great one to do if you want. I know some people do it, so it is pretty cool in that one. Quizlet is a great option that I've seen many people use as well. If we keep going and we look through things, Khan Academy is a wonderful one, especially if you want to set things for quite a while and they can go back remediation. But as you see, there's tons of standards and tons of everything available to you for that. I'm a Nearpod certified trainer, so I really believe in Nearpod. I think it's a wonderful, easy way to do it. Plus, if you wanted to do a live tutorial, you could have your students all log in at the same time and you could do the lesson live, or you could do it just at their own pace. It's up to you, but Nearpod is a great way to get the stuff back. If you do want to move to more visualization, have them watch things that's content related and put questions embedded in, you could use Edie Puzzle, and Edie Puzzle is that visual stimulation that maybe some of the other ones tend to lack. It is a very good way to kind of compromise between that and Nearpod, but I really like Edie Puzzle and you get a lot of data from it, so that is a very good thing in that too. Discovery Education, I'm also a trainer for this too, and a few of us are actually here at Dominguez, so we can help with this. It's a great way to log in, and you can do a lot of the stuff that it has pre-generated lessons for you and everything, so that's a really good one. One of the new ones that I have seen and I've went to a conference on is EverFi, and so EverFi is a really cool way. Everything is free, but it's private industry funded, so when students complete a module, they complete a particular class, they do get an industry level certificate, and they do have a lot of different areas, K-12, that you can go into. Health and wellness, social emotional learning. So there's a lot of stuff that you can get from it. So EverFi is a very good one, and I will be doing a tutorial on this as well. The last one I do want to touch upon is the MOOCs. If you haven't heard them before, they're massive open online courses, and what's really cool about a MOOC is most of them are offered by universities, and the curriculum is already there set, and they do it each week. Some of them are self-paced, some of them are 3 weeks, 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 12 weeks. It ranges from all of it. So you could find a course in there, pair it up, have the students do it, and you can see their progress with it. So for me, that is a fun way for students to really push themselves, but it's also within a controlled environment too. And who wouldn't want to do a Harvard course, honestly, while you're in high school, right? So again, those are some of the online things that you could use. By no means is this the only thing available. There are so many different online platforms, and I just encourage you to find one that you know you can have data to go and find, because what we want to see is we want to see a timestamp that the students were on, and then we want to see a learning objective met. So if we go through most of all the ones we've looked at already, they all have standards aligned with them, so you don't have to create the lesson. It's already done for you, which is the really good part in that one. Any questions? Hit me up here. I'm going to be working all these weeks on this stuff, so I'm always available. So if you need any help, please reach out to me, and I will definitely come and give you a helpful tutorial or whatever you need. All right, be safe, take care, and just know we always get through stuff. We're resilient.